What would happen if every single person on Earth jumped at the exact same second? Not metaphorically, literally 8 billion people, one giant jump. Ever wonder? Let's find out. Nubel Explains is back with another one. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what that jump would do to the planet, and why the real danger isn't the jump at all. First, let's get everyone in position. Imagine all 8 billion of us, shoulder to shoulder in one giant crowd. Surprising fact, we'd all fit. Packed tight, humanity covers an area smaller than a single city. The whole human race would fit inside Los Angeles. Seriously. Okay, everyone crouches. A countdown plays. 3, 2, 1. Jump. 8 billion people leave the ground at the same instant. So what happens to Earth? Here's the intuitive guess. We push the planet down, right? Like jumping off a boat. Newton said every action has an equal and opposite reaction. We push down, Earth pushes back. So does the Earth move? Technically, yes, but almost not at all. The Earth weighs about 13 trillion times, more than all of humanity combined. Picture an ant trying to shove an aircraft carrier. That's us versus the planet. When we all jump, Earth shifts in the opposite direction by about the width of a single atom. Less than the size of an atom, you could never even measure it. And then gravity pulls us all back down, and the Earth slides right back too. Net result, nothing, total, complete nothing. The planet doesn't care. So that's the answer, anticlimactic, right? Wait, but we just calculated the jump going up. We forgot about everyone coming down. Because here's the part the simple version skips, the landing. 8 billion people hitting the ground at the same instant isn't a push. It's a shockwave. Every footstep is tiny, but 8 billion footsteps in perfect sync become something else entirely. It would release energy similar to a small earthquake rippling out from the crowd. Not enough to crack the planet, but enough to feel. And now the real problem begins, not for the Earth, for us. Remember, all 8 billion of us are packed into one tiny spot. The jump is over in 2 seconds, but now what? Everyone is standing in a crowd the size of a city, in the middle of nowhere, with no food, no water, no roads home. There's no way to feed a crowd that dense, no way to get anyone out. The jump does nothing to the planet, but the gathering would be a catastrophe. The danger was never the jump. It was 8 billion people trying to be in the same place at once. And here's the final twist most people miss. For the Earth to even notice us, we wouldn't need to jump harder. We'd need to be more, way more. A single person is nothing, but synchronize enough small things and you get earthquakes, tides, even climate. That's the real lesson hiding in a silly question. Tiny actions are meaningless alone, but perfectly aligned, they reshape the world. The universe doesn't fear the big, it bends to the coordinated. So here's the answer you can repeat to a friend. If everyone on Earth jumped at once, the planet wouldn't budge, but humanity might not survive the crowd. And that's the answer. Curious about something else? Let's find out next time. If these questions scratch the same itch for you as they do for us, you already know where you belong. Stick around. Next time, what if everyone on Earth pointed a flashlight at the sky at the same second? Could anything out there